So today I went shopping. The boy went shopping for a dog cage. Well, let's open it. Hold on. Keys. They're really useful. You know what for? Opening boxes. So, here you go. Let's get it. This side is done. Okay. Okay. Now, oh, whoops. Well, that side's done. Okay. 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 Legit. This is just what we needed. Okay. I'm gonna let you guys see this first. You guys ready? Bam. Alright. Now I'm gonna take a look at it. Woo! Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we don't need that. I need instructions. Hey, why'd you go down there? You know what? Okay, you know what? My boy does instructions. And oh shit, I think I broke it. I think I just broke it. Let's put this in the ground. Okay, ow. Okay, never mind, I didn't break it. Hooray! No. Yeah, you know what? Slight defect. Never mind. Mathematical. Alright guys, so if you don't know what I'm done. Alright, so that's what it looks like after 5 to 2 seconds. Your boy fixed it. Alright. Yeah, I don't know how this goes. Okay. So your boy fixed it. Sure. Okay, just making sure this. Oh, it's a double lock. Okay. I like it. So, says, yeah, I'm not reading the instructions. Sorry, your boy doesn't do that. Let's get this page out the way. Yeah, well, your boy solved another one. Here. Oh, you on to that? Here. Your boy doesn't need it. Alright. Deuces. Whoa.